Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Let's Conquer Maths. Today we going to solve practice question paper of first term exam of maths. Let us see first question A. Choose the correct alternative and complete the statements. आता इथे आपल्याला हे अल्टरनेटिव्ह दिलेले आहेत आणि त्यातनं आपल्याला एक चूज करायचं आहे. फर्स्ट 3/5 इज इक्वल टू डॅश डॅश 3/5. आता इथं जे आपल्याला अल्टरनेटिव्ह दिलेले आहेत ते सगळे डेसिमल फ्रॅक्शन आहेत. सो कन्वर्ट द 3/5 इंटू डेसिमल फ्रॅक्शन. 5 कन्वर्ट इंटू 10. 5 multiply by 2 is 10. So multiply 3 also by 2. 6/10 is equal to 0.6. Answer is 0.6. First alternative. Second, and dash dash number of lines can be drawn passing through one point. How many lines can pass through one point? 1, 2, 3, infinite. Infinite lines can pass through one point. So answer is infinite. -2 minus 8. -2, when minus number is subtract or any number is subtract, add the opposite of this number. First number as it is, then add opposite number of second. So plus -8, opposite of -8 is 8. Addition of two numbers, signs are different, so subtract 2 from 8 is 6 and give the sign of big number. Big number is 8, so it is positive 6. B. Match the pairs. Proper fraction. Proper fraction means the number which denominator is greater than numerator. Proper fraction means denominator is greater than numerator. So 2/9. And improper fractions means numerator is greater than denominator. Remember these two things. Second, this is the figure of plane. Reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So 180 degree, greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree is 215 degree. Write the opposite numbers of the numbers given below. Numbers are -29, +18, -54 and +37. When we write the opposite of any number, change only sign. Here 29 as it is, here is the minus number, opposite is positive number. 18 positive number, opposite number is negative number. Only change the sign. Positive becomes negative and negative becomes positive. 54 positive, positive 37 negative. Second question, solve the following subquestions any 6. First, convert into mixed number. 21/4 is convert into mixed number. So divide 21 by 4. 4 5s are 20. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 is 0. Remainder is 5. 21/4 is equal to, question write first 5 then remainder 1 and denominator as it is. 5 1 by 4. This is the mixed number. Second, classify the following numbers into divisible by 2 and divisible by 5. The divisibility test use here. Divisibility test of 2 is the number which has 0, 2, 4, 6 at its units place. Then that number is divisible by 2. Units प्लेसला जर 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 यापैकी कोणताही एक नंबर असेल तर तो नंबर 2 ने डिव्हिजिबल असतो. 254, 4 is at units place, so divisible by 2. Then here 5, here also 5, here is the 8, so 8 at units place, this number is also divisible by 2. Then for 5, divisibility test of 5 is when 0 or 5 at units place. 0 or 5 at units place, then that number is divisible by 5. Here is the 155 and 975. 5 is at units place, so these numbers are divisible by 5. Third question, use the proper geometrical instruments to draw the angle of measure 110. Use compass and ruler to bisect it. First, draw the angle of measurement 110. First, draw a line segment. These are the end points of line segment. Put the center of the protractor on the any end points. This is the B and this is the C. Put on B, adjust this line at the line of 0 and count the number from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and 110. This is the angle of 110. Then bisect it. Take the suitable distance in the compass. Put on the point B and arc here. Put on the intersection of rays and arc. This is the point of intersection of arc. This point connect to the B. This is angle ABC and ray BD is the bisector of angle ABC. Fourth question, write the proper sign less than, greater than or equal to in the given boxes. -7 and +7. If two numbers are one is positive and second is negative, always positive number is bigger than negative number. Always positive number is bigger than negative number. Here minus 15, both are same. Fifth, find the LCM of 8 and 11. When find the LCM of any number, write down the multiple of that numbers. So multiple of 8. Write the table of it. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. This is the table of 8. Write the table of 11. Multiple of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99 and 110. First write the common multiple. Find the common multiple. There is no common multiple. So expand the table of 8. 80, 88. Here 88 is common multiple. And LCM is the lowest common multiple. So first is lowest, then other numbers are bigger than 88. So one multiple is sufficient for the LCM. So LCM is equal to 88. 6. Observe the figures and write which are the intersecting lines and which are the parallel lines in the empty boxes. These lines are intersect in this point. So these are the intersecting lines. And these are the parallel lines. Distance between two lines same everywhere. So these are the parallel lines. Seventh, divide 20.6 divided by 2. 20.6 is convert into common fraction. Here is the 1 point after the decimal fraction. So 206 divided by 10. Divide 2 upon 1. This division is converted into multiplication. 206 upon 10. 20.6 convert into common fraction. Here is the one number after the decimal point. So 206 divided by 10 divided by 2 upon 10. 206 upon 10. Change the sign, multiply 1 and take the reciprocal of second fraction. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. 206 is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 0. 2 threes are 6 is equal to 103 multiplied by 1, 103 upon 10 is equal to 10.3. Second method, divide 20.6 by 2. Use any method. 20.6 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Take 0 here. 0. Take 6. Point. 2 3s are 6. 0. Answer is same. 10.3. You can use any method. 8. Observe the figure and write the type of each of the angles. This is the complete angle. One round is complete here. So it is complete angle. And this is the acute angle because the measurement of this angle is less than 90 degree. So it is acute angle. Third question, solve the following subquestions any four. First, given below are the temperatures of some cities. Write them using the proper sign. Here the place Shimla, Delhi and Leh. Temperature 7 degree centigrade below 0 degree. And temperature with proper sign. Here we write in that box, use the proper sign. 7 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. When below 0 degree Celsius, the temperature is negative, is minus. So minus 0 degree, minus 7 degree Celsius. Because this temperature is below 0 degree Celsius. When above 0 degree Celsius, then this temperature is positive. Positive 22 degree Celsius. 12 degree Celsius below 0 degree. Here also below 0 degree Celsius. So it also negative. Minus 12 0 degree Celsius. Second, observe the following graph and answer the questions. Here is the graph. On x-axis, bicycle, scooters, rickshaw, bullock cart. Vehicles are on the x-axis and number of vehicles on y-axis. Scale on y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 5 vehicles. Here is the 1 centimeter is equal to 5 vehicles. Then write down the answers of questions. Observe the bar graph and write down the answers of these questions. First question is, which is the lowest number of vehicles? Lowest number of vehicles is the bar of vehicles, bicycle, scooter, rickshaw and bullock cart. The minimum height of bar is rickshaw because the height of bar showing the number of vehicles. The number of vehicles rickshaw is 5. So minimum height of the bar is rickshaw. So lowest number of vehicles is rickshaw. Lowest number of vehicles is rickshaw. Second, which is the highest number of vehicles. Highest number of vehicles, maximum height of bar is bicycle. So highest number of vehicles is 30 and it is bicycle. So the answer of this question is bicycle. Highest number of vehicles is bicycle. What is the total number of vehicles in the graph? Total number of vehicles. All number of vehicles. Let us see. Bicycle is 30. Scooter is 25. Rickshaw 5 and bullock cart 15. Take the sum of these numbers. Total number of vehicles is equal to bicycle 30, rickshaw 25, scooter 25, rickshaw 5 and bullock cart 15. 15 plus 5 20 plus 30 50 plus 25 is equal to 75. Total number of vehicles 75. Complete the following table. Number, sum of digit in the number. Is the sum divisible by 3? Is the given number is divisible by 3? First number is 63. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. 9 is divisible. Is the sum divisible? Means 9 is divisible by 3. So 63 also divisible by 3. Second number 872. 8 plus 7 plus 2. 8 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 17. Is the 17 is divisible by 3? No, 17 is not divisible by 3. So 872 is not also divisible by 3. 91. Sum is 10. 10 also not divisible by 3 and 91 is not also divisible by 3. 552. 5 plus 5 plus 2. 5 plus 5 10 plus 2 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 552 is also divisible by 3. Fourth question, observe the figure. This is the figure. Here is the lines A, B, C, M, P, Q and AD. First, parallel lines. Parallel lines B, M and Q. Three lines are parallel. First set is line B, line M and line Q. And second, line A and line P. These are also, two lines are also parallel, A and P. Second, line L and line P. concurrent lines. Line A, line B, line C and line AC or AD. Line A, B, C and AC are concurrent. Line A, line B, line C and line AC are concurrent. And also here line P, line Q and line AD. Second, concurrent lines. Line P, line Q and line AD. Point of concurrence. Point A and point D. Point A and point D are the point of concurrence. Fifth example. Aisha bought 1.80 meter of cloth for her salwar and 2.25 meter for her kurta. If the cloth cost 120 per meter, how much must she pay the shopkeeper? Aisha bought 1.80 meter cloth of salwar and 2.25 meter for kurta. So first find out the total cloth. Aisha bought cloth for salwar is equal to 1.80 meter. Cloth for kurta is equal to 2.25 meter. This is the sum of the decimal fraction. So point write like this: 1.80, 2.25. Total cloth. Zero plus 5, 5. 8 plus 2, 10. Decimal point as it is. Carried on 1. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4.0 meter cloth. Salwar, for salwar and for kurta, total cloth, Aisha bought total cloth 4.05 meter. Cloth cost 120 rupees per meter. Cloth cost rupees 120 per meter. So total cost of cloth. Total cost of cloth is equal to 120 multiplied by 4.05. Multiply here. 120 multiplied by 4.05. First multiply by 5. 5 multiply by 0. 0. 5 2s are 10. Carried on 1. 5 1s are 5 and plus 1 6. Take 0 for the multiplying 5. Then multiply by 0. Multiply by any number by 0 is 0. So 0 multiplied by 0. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 0 multiplied by 1 is also 0. Then now multiply by two numbers. So take two zeros here. Then multiply by 4. 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. 4 multiplied by 2, 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. Take sum here. 0, 0. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 0 plus 8 is 8. 4. Count the numbers after the decimal point. 1, 2. 1, 2. 486 is equal to 486 rupees. So total cost of cloth is equal to rupees 486. Fourth question. Solve the following equations. Any two. Given marks are 8. First, 420 students participated in the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. They cleaned 42 upon 75th part of the town Sevagram. What part of Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? 420 students clean 40 upon 75 part, and find out the one student clean the part of Sevagram. Each student clean the part of Sevagram. So 420 students clean the part of Sevagram is equal to 42 upon 75. Then each student clean the part of Sevagram is equal to 420 students clean. Total part of clean is 42 upon 75, and each student 42 upon 75 is divided by 420. This is the division of fractions. So convert into multiplication. 42 upon 75 multiply by, take reciprocal of 420. 1 upon 420. (42) 1 by 42 is 10 is equal to 1 upon 75. 42 ने आपण 42 ला डिवाइड केलंय, इथं 10 आला. 1 upon 75 is multiplied by 1 upon 10. So multiplication of fraction is multiply the numerator by numerator. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, and 75 multiplied by 10 is 750. So each student clean 1 upon say 150 part of sevagram. Second problem, the number of customers who came to a juice center during 1 week is given in the table below. Make a bar graph of this data as per given scale. Scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. Here is the type of juice: orange, pineapple, apple, mango and pomegranate. Number of customers 50, 30, 25, 60 and 10. Here the plot the graph. Horizontal axis is x-axis and vertical axis is y-axis. Scale on y-axis 10 customers, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customers. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 10 customers for 1 centimeter. And here is the type of juice. So right here type of juice and number of customers. Scale, write down the scale here. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 customer. Then plot the graph. We plot bar graph of 1 centimeter. So here orange 50. So plot the graph up to 50. Then pineapple 30. Here is the 30. Apple 25. 20 and here is the 25. Take 5 lines. Mango 65. Here is a 60. 65 is between the 60 and 70. Count the 5 lines. Pomegranate 10. Draw the bar graph like this. Students, remember one important thing: the distance between the y-axis and first graph is same as the distance between two graphs. ह्या दोन ग्राफमधलं जे डिस्टन्स आहे ते डिस्टन्स आणि वाय ॲक्सिस आणि फर्स्ट ग्राफमधलं जे डिस्टन्स आहे ते सेम असलं पाहिजे. जर ते डिस्टन्स तुमचं कमी जास्त झालं तर मात्र तुमचा बार ग्राफ बरोबर येणार नाही. दिस इज रॉंग. सो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. थर्ड example, draw the axis of symmetry of each of the figures below. Write the number of axes of symmetry in the boxes. Figures are given and only draw the axis of symmetry. Here these 1, 2, 3, 4 figures. Here the draw axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry means this axis divide this figure into two equal parts. Here is the number of axis 1, number of axis 2, horizontal and vertical. Here is the 3 and here is the 1. Number of axis write down here. Any figure, only remember axis, symmetry axis divide this figure into two equal parts. Fourth example, the number of students of standard 6th and standard 7 who went to visit the Tadoba Tiger project at Chandrapur was 140 and 196 respectively. The students of each class are to be divided into groups of the same number of students. Each group can have a paid guide. What is the maximum number of students there can be in each group? Number of students of 6th standard is 140. Six is equal to 140 and number of students of 7th is equal to 196. The students of each class are to be divided into groups. These students are divided into groups and the same number of students. In each group, same number of students. Each group can have a paid guide. Each group had paid guide. म्हणजे आपण या ठिकाणी ग्रुप जर कमी केले तर गाईडची संख्या कमी होणार आहे. ग्रुप जास्त झाले तर गाईडची संख्या जास्त होणार आहे. कारण जेवढे गाईड तेवढे आपल्याला गाईड पेड असल्यामुळं आपल्याला रक्कम ती वाढणार आहे. अमाऊंट जी आहे ती वाढणार आहे. म्हणून विच इज द मॅक्झिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टुडंट्स देअर कॅन बी इन ईच ग्रुप. म्हणजे आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम स्टुडंट्स हे एका ग्रुपमध्ये घ्यायचे आहेत. मॅक्झिमम स्टुडंट्स कॅन बी इन ईच ग्रुप मीन्स इन वन ग्रुप. Maximum number of students means find out here HCF. When maximum number of any in this type of example, find out the HCF. So find out the HCF of 140 and 196. Find the HCF of 140 and 196. For HCF, find out the factors of 140 and 196. factors of 140 is equal to 140 is divided by 1, 2, 5, 7, 10, 14, 20, 28, then 35, 70 and 140. All factors add down here. Factors of 196. 1, 2. Use the test of divisibility. Divisibility test for 1, 2, 3, 9, 5. All tests are used here. Then we find out the factors. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28, 49, 98, 196. Common factors. Common factors are 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7, then 14, 28. These are the common factors. So HCF means highest common factor. So take the highest common factor in these numbers. Highest number is 28. So HCF is 28. Maximum number of students there can be in each group is 28. Maximum number of students in each group each is 28. In this way we solve the question paper of first semester. Friends, please subscribe my channel and like the video and forward the video to your friends. Thank you.